Hello, welcome back to Auto Animals. It's James here. We're sitting in the Abarth Grande Punto, and I'm going to try and fit a Icebox Auto aftermarket head unit. So let's see how that goes. Right. So we've technically fitted one of these before in this car, but there were some issues with it. I'll sort that camera out. Which means that we had to send it back and get a replacement one. So this is not our first rodeo. So old unit out. I had Henry here last time, so this is going to be very much a can an idiot do this. Okay. So the car is fitted with what's called Fiat's Blue and Me system, which doesn't work with the new head unit. So some of these cables are going to be left unplugged. But that's fine because we know which ones they are if I can get the bloody thing out of the back of the existing head unit. Come on. Yep. There you go. Right, old one out. Something sticky on there. Lovely. I'm going to move that. So, that's the new head units. So what Icebox do, Icebox Auto, is they specialise in OEM style Android head units. They're designed to be quote unquote plug and play. I opted to upgrade this one to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's also got the upgraded 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Because the standard is 2GB and 32GB. So, as you can see, it's designed to fit flush with the existing fascia. Unfortunately, because this is the Abarth model, it's got this kind of like carbon effect plastic trim. This would match normally on the standard Grande Punto, but I'll have to make do. I'm going to very delicately pop that up there while I get the cables out. Okay, now we have done this before. There's a lot of additional stuff in here that we don't need right now because there's stuff like DAB antennas, GPS antennas, USB cables, mics, etc., which I'm not going to be installing right now. I just want to get the head unit in and get the audio working by Bluetooth. There we go, first the USBs, that's the manual, that is the GPS module, that is all the video outs, that's all the, it's another USB, that's video ins and outs, I think, I don't know. That is, I think, the CAN bus adapter. Possibly? No, that's a one-way. Simple soft. I can't remember what that's for. Well, we'll figure that one out. And the aerial adapter. I'm going to need that. Let's do that first, actually. So, right, that's the harness adapters. That's mystery box. Okay. You go in there. It's quite warm in here. I shouldn't have done this with the windows and doors shut, I guess. Right, so I think it was just one in, one out from memory. So that should go in there. Click. That we're not using because that's the Blue and Me system. I think these both then just go in the head unit. Oh god, and what was this one? Oh Christ. There's me thinking it was just two cables. What do I know? Right. Okay. That goes in there. That's quite straightforward. Come on. He says. That should just go in there. Not convinced. I mean, there's nowhere else for it to go, but I'm just gonna pull it out because it looked like one of those. Two of those are a little bit low. And two of those are a bit thick. Okay, they're meant to be like that. Fair enough. I guess it's meant to go in. So, I mean, that's not going anywhere. So, that's antenna. We don't need that. That one is a bit of a mystery. I mean, where can it go? It can't go there. It can't go there. It can't go there. So I don't think actually this is needed. We'll find out. All right, let's try the antenna. Let's get that in there. There we go. Right. And get the keys. In theory, he says. Oh, let's turn that down a bit. Please work. Perhaps not. Okay. What are you not happy about? I was enjoying that air. Right. Maybe I haven't got it all the way in. I wonder if it has something to do with this. Well, duh. Okay. Let's just maybe that's got quite a bit to. Oh no, actually. Or does that even? Oh, it does fit. Go on, get in there. You are in. No, you're not. Go in and click. I do wish they made these a little bit easier to. Oh, come on. I don't think that's even engaged. Like it just. Well, then again, actually, it will. Yeah, no, that was clicked in. Okay, fine. Right, now that's in. Should we give it another go? We'll trial and erroring here. Oh, there's life. I see a backlight's just come on. So there's power going to the unit. Because, yeah, there's definitely a backlight. I'm sure there was. Oh. Well, the display works. What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay. Is the box doing anything? No. The box is just in. Okay. Well, we still have this mystery. And I feel like that must have something to do with it. Right. Turn it off again. Right. I'll give it one more go. And then I'm calling Henry. So it boots quicker that time. Oh. Okay. Well, the sound's coming out the rear speakers. Right. Okay. I'm going to have to look this one up. Probably call Henry. So we'll be back. Oh. No, never mind. Okay. It worked briefly. Right. Let's have it back on again. What are you doing? What are you doing? You. Right. So weird. So you turn it off. And we. and now it is totally dead again. That tells me it's something to do with the intermittent ignition or something, but because it's supposed to then give you power even when it's off. I think. No, maybe it's not. Okay. Right, I'm going to look it up. I'm probably going to call Henry and we will come back.